in remote areas often arrive faster than help. Introducing a rugged, NavIC-enabled response drone built for the harshest environments. 5 to 10 kilograms capacity, improved payload by 20%, operational range up to 30 kilometers, cruising at 1 kilometer per minute. Engineered to survive high-speed flights, heavy turbulence, and fire zones. Powered by NavIC for precise Indian region tracking. Cost-efficient, locally made, built for our communities. From takeoff to delivery, live video streams to first responders and mobile devices, locating victims in smoke, darkness, or collapsed structures. A simple mobile app lets any trained responder plan missions, receive real-time NavIC coordinates, and deploy payloads at the tap of a button. Fast, precise, life-saving. Designed to save lives when minutes matter most. NavIC-enabled disaster response drone. Cost-efficient, local, ready. Visit our demo at Smart India Hackathon. Here is our real-time prototype test, turning vision into reality.